Let's go ahead and get situated into a comfortable position. This may be in a chair, on a mat on the floor, in your bed. Let's move our neck about, our body about, get all the wiggles out. Take some time just to get comfortable. Let's begin by slowly closing your eyes, allowing the sounds from the outside, the sights from the outside to slowly go away. Focus on the inside of your third eye. Begin to take a deep breath and allow your energy to continue to go to your third eye. Breathing in and then breathing out. Continue to breathe in and out and become more comfortable. Today we're going to our sacred place in the heavens. We are going to connect with the element of air. Now, in this sacred place, you may visit the heavens or the stars or anything that represents air to you. So what I want you to do for just a moment is set the intention for this meditation to visit the place that resonates with you the most. Remember, air is an empowering element. It is full of energy, uplifting. It's very light and beautiful. If you have any guides or angels that you wish to call in with you on this trip that we're going to do, go ahead and do that now. And let's take a deep breath and know that you can return to this place at any time if you feel uncomfortable. All you have to do is take in a deep breath and open your eyes. So as we begin to get more comfortable in our seat, we begin to feel ourselves floating off the floor, out of the chair, floating up to the skies. You look around and you notice that you're on a fluffy cloud, and as you go higher, the clouds seem to become closer, brighter, and more comforting. You continue to go up into the heavens, and you guide yourself to this beautiful place in front of you. It's a beautiful baby blue and white. You look around you and you decide that you want to stop in this place. So you take a moment, you look around, you begin to stand up. You notice that the clouds are holding your weight, that you feel very light. There's no weight of the world on you, there's no worries, there's no concerns, just light. This is your safe space in the clouds. I want you to take a few moments just to look around and see if there's anyone there that you may recognize, anyone that you may want to contact, or maybe even some messages that someone may have for you. This is your safe place, your sacred place. And it's your time to listen. As you walk around, you notice that there's this archway, beautiful white and blue archway. There's one to the right, there's one to the left, and one in front of you. Take a moment to choose one to walk into and see where it takes you. It may continue being in the clouds, or you may end up traveling up to the stars, traveling with the stars. It may take you to another planet or just into space itself. Allow your heart to lead you. You may notice that many things around you seem familiar, like you've been there before. Maybe beings that are around you feel familiar. Take some time to explore. Take note of the feelings that you're feeling. The peace, your feelings are very different here. They're very aware, and you're aware of them. Take a moment to see if there's anything special that you notice here. Your feelings may pull you to a certain direction. Follow them. Examine everything around you with a new set of eyes, with a curiosity and inquisitiveness of everything around you. Now, as you're walking, you notice that there's something on the ground in front of you. It has been left there for you to find And it is to allow you to learn of more knowledge of this sacred place. It may be a key or a book or a box. It may be a simple pulpit. Take time to examine it. What does it look like? As you continue to examine it, you notice that there's a note attached to it. This is a personal note for you from a person who is in this journey with you. Examine the note and read the note. The note has some information on it, as well as directions for you to follow. It promises that if you follow these directions, new knowledge will come to you. So decide to follow or not. It is up to you. If you decide to follow, take a step forward, look at the directions, and follow the guide's directions. Taking a moment to really look at where your gift is taking you. What is it wanting to reveal with you? This is your time to learn more about your sacred place in the air. So explore. You notice up ahead that there's a beautiful cloud with a book and a quill sitting there. You go towards it and you begin to sit. You begin to write in the book of your experiences that you've had. You notice as you're writing, the cloud is moving back through each of the places you've visited, each of the things you've seen, so that you can take note and remember once again what you experienced. You notice that you're exiting through the door in which you came in. You look back one more time, knowing that you can come to this place at any time that you wish. All you have to do is think about it. It is always with you. It is always your sacred place. As the cloud continues to move, you notice that it is descending slowly back through the heavens, back through the clouds, back to the earth, and back to this room. Take a moment and feel the energy around you, the change of air, experiencing being back here. And when you're ready, you can gently open your eyes, pick up your journal, and begin to write in it.